Hello. In today's Igbo class, you're going to be learning kitchen Igbo verbs. So this is just a fancy word for actions that are done in the kitchen. So let's see. So over here we said a kitchen verb isn't some special grammar term. It's simply an action verb for things you commonly do in the kitchen, just like we said. Think of it as the doing work of cooking and preparing food. If you can do it in the kitchen, the word for that action is likely a kitchen verb. So just like I said earlier, it's not any special grammar. It's just a fancy word for things and actions you do in the kitchen, just like cooking, stirring, roasting, impounding, etc. So here we have to cook. In Igbo we say sie. So I added an extra English sound alike for non-Igbo speaking, so you can pronounce it easily. Just say C and A, sie. So we have some few sentences here like sie ofe, cook soup. Sie nri, cook food. Sie nri. So when you say sie, you can add whatever you want to cook. Let's say you want to say cook rice, you say sie osikapa, because in Igbo we call rice osikapa. So the next one we have here is fry. Here. So if that hard for you to pronounce, just say hey and drag it here to fry. So let's say fry fish. Azu. Fry fish. If it's a meat, you can say anu. Azu. Anu. Anu is meat. So whenever you want to fry, you say So this is actually a kitchen verb because it's what we do in the kitchen. So now you know how to say cook, which is sie, and how to say fry, which is So can you try it and say then add whatever you want to fry? So try that. So the next one we have here is to roast. Roast is hua. Don't forget, in the last verb I taught you, if you want to say to do, you say So since it's a command, we added o at the last after the u. So if it's not a command, you say but since it's a command, you say roast. Anu okuka, roast this chicken. Anu ewa, roast the goat meat. Anu ewu is goat meat because ewu is goat. So if you want to talk about meat, you have to put the meat anu and add the animal. Anu okuka. Okay. So to make fire, we say hutuo ako. Don't forget the one in the bracket is English sound alike to help you pronounce. Or tinye oko. So if you say hutuoko, just like in the olden days, you will make fire like a bonfire. You make fire with firewood and everything while cooking. But now there is gas, there is stove, so you can just say tinye oko. So we say tinye oko na stove or tinye oko na gas. Tinye oko, make the fire, put the fire. Mutuoko is make the fire. So you see, in your village, your grandma is nne ochie. Nne ochie can say nna mutuoko, because most of us, when we go back to village, we still use the firewood cooking way. That's how we cook it. So if the fire is going down, your grandma will say nna mutuoko. So So that means go back to the fire and blow it so the fire will come out. So we continue cooking. So when you want to make fire, you say hutuoku. Hutuoku. Then we have wo, aborabo, wo, igbo. Wo, igbo means to mix, while go is mixed like a command. It means turn the porridge. Mix it like when you're mixing things together, like yam and beans. We woyago, or yam and vegetable. We woyago, mix it together. We turn it like a porridge, but not like a porridge. There's a way we mix it. You bring it the pot down, pour your ingredients, and you mix it together with a spoon. So we have a sentence here. Wojinawa. Mix those yam and beans. Wojina akwukwo nri. Mix the yam and vegetable. Gwa abacha. That's my special. Mix the African salad. Abacha. Gwa abacha. Abacha borago. Because some people prepare abacha in a stir-fry way, but the local way to make abacha is to boil. Will bring it down, mix it with your ingredients, and mix it together. So I hope you have learned few kitchen verb today. I'm going to be making another kitchen verb for you, so make sure you learn this one and wait for another video for more kitchen verbs. So thank you very much for being a great student and learning our wonderful language, Igbo language. And please, Biko, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for lots of people to learn this wonderful language, Igbo.
Bye.